Good afternoon, children. So in matrices, we are doing MCQs from the topic matrices. Today, now we are going to do some case study questions from matrices. Okay. We are going to discuss some case study questions from matrices. I hope you are all having this file with you. That day I have not early to 1 week back I have sent. Earlier also I have asked you to take the photocopy. Okay, those who are not having means take it. It is given by the CBSE. Okay. Are you all having this with you? This PDF? Okay, so now we are going to do the study questions from matrices. Children, hope you are all having this PDF with you. Is or no? Yes. Okay, so listen. Look at this question, children. A manufacturer produces 3 stationery products: pencil, eraser, and sharpener, which he sells in 2 markets. Annual sales are indicated below. Okay, no need to write all those things. You first listen, because you have the PDF means what you can do. If you note it down, how to solve it and all, if you understand it, you can do the same questions once again. Try it again. Okay, because it's a paragraph questions. If you go on writing, you'll not be able to. Okay, try to solve it. Try to solve it. It's not for writing the questions. Entire paragraph and all, no need to write it. Now listen. Look at this question. So we know that. Okay, what is given in the previous paragraph? There is a stationery shop. They are producing. What they are producing? They are producing pencils, eraser, and sharpener in 2 markets. Okay, they are having it in 2 markets. Okay, annual sales are indicated below. So 2 shops are there, A and B. Okay, in the first shop, pencil 10,000, eraser 2,000, sharpener 18,000. And in the market B, 6,000, eraser 20,000, sharpener 8,000. If the unit sale of pencil, eraser, and sharpener are 250, 150, and 1, and the unit cost price is also given, based on the above information, answer the following. What is the total revenue of the market A? You are asked to find the total revenue. How will you find the revenue here of the market A? So total revenue, look at your final answer. You want one single number, isn't it? We want one single number means we want a 1 by 1 data. Is that no? We want a 1 by 1 data. Is it clear? So that means how will you set the matrices? How will you find the cost? Total cost, how will you find? Unit price into number of items. Unit price into unit price. Cost per item into number of items will give total price. So we have to multiply. We have to multiply. So here, how will you express this in matrix form? How will you express it in matrix form? We want a 1 by 1 matrix. That is why we get one single entry. So we have to express the first matrix. Suppose I express this products as a 1 row. Suppose I am writing like this: 10,000, 2,000, 18,000. Okay, so the matrix of order 1 by 3. With this, suppose I want to write the cost price. How will you find the cost? How will you find the cost? So cost matrix, we have to express it in the order. What will be the order? How will you express it?
3 by 1.
3 by 1, isn't it? So what is the unit sale selling prices? 250, 150, 1 rupee, isn't it? So we have to express this as 3 by 1, so that we'll be able to multiply and we will be finding the unit. Now multiply this and find out the cost. 10,000 into 250, row with column, Multiply this and find out what is the answer. Are you getting the answer? Emmanuel, is it clear, Emmanuel? Here, the final entry is a single entry. That means one row, one column. We want to express this using matrix form. We want to multiply. Total cost is needed means unit price into number of items. So we have to multiply. So when we multiply matrices, that matrix should satisfy the compatibility. Okay, that is number of columns of the first matrix should be same as number of rows of second matrix. So here we have 3 items. So we write this as 1 by 3. The second matrix should be of the form 3 by 1. So that final matrix is a 1 by 1 matrix. Product matrix is a 1 by 1 matrix. Are you getting the answer? What is the answer? What is the answer? Yes, 10,000 into 2.50. What you will get? 10,000 into 2.0 means 2.50. What is the answer? Atul? When you multiply, what you will get, Atul? Row with column.
25,000.
Is it 25,000? 25,000. Okay, then plus is it plus? Yes,
Plus
Atul.
3,000.
Plus 3,000. Plus, what is the answer, Dia? When you add all those things?
46,000.
Yes, it is net revenue. Net revenue means total income we are considering. It is 46,000. Same way, find out for the market B. Total revenue of market B. What is the total revenue of market B? Same method, you do it for B. So 6,000, 20,000, 8,000. With 2.50, 1.50 and 1 rupee. What is the answer, Emmanuel? Yes, Ashwin. Multiply and give the answer, Ashwin.
15,000.
First data, isn't it? 15,000 plus
Plus 30,000
30,000
plus 8,000.
plus 8,000. So my answer is
53,000.
53,000. Okay, you can check the answer. Is it correct or not? Okay, first one and second one is completed. Check your answer. 46,000 and 53,000. Okay, it is okay. Now look at the third one. What is the cost incurred in market A? You have to find the cost. Now we calculated total revenue means total selling price we calculated. Now what do you have to find here? For market A, we want to find the cost price. Okay, for market A, you have to find the cost price. So look at for market A. Market A, what is the cost price given here? 2 rupees for the pencil and okay, so I'm writing here itself. 2 rupees for the pencil, then 1 rupee for the eraser and rupees 0.50. Okay, children, as you are doing MCQ, if you are not able to write it in the matrix form, you do it in how we do it in a usual way and find out. Okay, because the method and all we are not going to send. We want only the final answer. Suppose they ask the matrix form, if the option is there means you should know that one. How to write in matrix form also you should know. Suppose they will give the matrix. Is the matrix correct? Means you should know that one. But here in this question, they are not asking the matrix form. So you can do it how we do it in regular manner without expressing in matrix form also you can do. So what will be the answer here? 10,000 into 2,000, 18,000 into 0.50. What will be the answer? ₹2, 1 rupee and what is the answer, Rijas? For the third one.
31,000.
30,000.
31.
31,000. Is it correct? 31,000. What is your answer? Gayatri, what is the answer?
It's 31,000.
31,000. Now, the second question is asked in profit. Profit in market A and market B respectively. You have to find the profit separately. That means we have to find the cost price. Okay, cost price of market A we have. Selling price of market A, what is the selling price we got? 60,000, isn't it? So what will be the profit? Profit is selling price minus cost price, isn't it? Selling price minus cost price. So what is the answer? For market A, first you find, then automatically you will get the answer. 46,000 minus 31,000. Is it correct? Is it no? 15,000. With 15,000, what is the option there for market A? Only one option is there. Is it clear? If you want, you can do it for matrix B. Again, you can find the selling price, cost price, subtract it and check it. So it is 15,000 and 17,000. Now look at the next one. What is the gross profit? Gross profit means what you have to do? What is the overall profit? What will be the gross profit? Michael? Michael is present? Okay, so look at here. Third one, 31,000. Fourth one. And what is the gross profit? Michael? Michael is present?
Yes, ma'am.
Give me the answer. What is the gross profit here? Profit of market A is 15,000. Profit of market B is 17,000. Gross profit means total profit in both the markets.
C 32,000.
Yes, it is C 32,000. C 32,000. Children, is it okay? Okay. We are solving it in the matrix form. Is it clear? Aditya? Shivani, Nia? Aryan, turn on your video. Yes, Muhammad Adim, Nia, Shivani. Nia, Shivani. Okay, now look at the next question, children. Look at the next one. Next case study question. Okay, look at the question. Amit, Biraj, and Chirag were given the task of creating a square matrix of order 2. So they are constructing square matrices of order 2. Below are the matrices created by them, A, B, and C. If A is 4 and B is -2, based on the above information, small letter A and small letter B is given. Okay. So based on the above information, answer the following. Try this one. Find A plus B plus C. What will be the answer? Easily you can give the answer. Is or no? Shivani, what is the answer here? A plus B plus C. When you add the matrices, A plus B plus C. Yes, Shivani, addition of matrices. For the first one, what is the option? Yes, Emmanuel. Emmanuel, what is the answer?
Ma'am,
Ah,
second one.
is it second one? When you add the first entry, what you will get? 1 plus 4?
Five.
When you 5. 5 plus 2? 5 plus 2 is?
7. Yes, ma'am.
So then, is it B?
Third one.
Third one. So you check with the other entries. Is it correct? Is it correct? A plus B plus C. Okay. Now, the second one, these are all easy questions. Is it no? Now, look at the next one. A transpose the whole transpose is. Matrix A is given. So, it will be A transpose the whole transpose. Matrix A is 1, 2, minus 1, 3. Muhammad Adim, what is the answer for the second one? Muhammad Adim. Muhammad Adim.
Yes, ma'am.
For the second one, what is the answer?
And second one.
Second one. Second one, answer is B. When you take A transpose the whole transpose, what you will get? Muhammad Adim, A transpose the whole transpose is? When you take the transpose of the transpose, what you will get? It is? Aryan? A. So what is the answer, Aryan?
Option A.
Option A. Now look at the next one, third one. B into A transpose is. B into A transpose. And B is given as -2. B is minus 2. So first of all, multiply the matrix A by minus 2 and then take the transpose. Okay. This is our matrix A and B is minus 2. B is given as minus 2. And this is the A matrix, isn't it? A transpose the whole transpose, because when I scroll up, you'll not be able to see. That is why I write this part itself. Okay. Tell me, Ashwin, for the third one, what is the answer, Ashwin? What is B into A transpose?
Ma'am, B itself.
B. B. This option B.
Yes, ma'am.
What is B into A? When you multiply by B into A, you'll get 2, 4, minus 2, 6. Is or no? So when you take the transpose, B is minus 2. Okay. So it will become minus 2, minus 4. Okay. So when you take the transpose, is it correct, Srihari? Option B, is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now look at the next one. AC minus BC is equal to. Okay, so first, okay, we want to find AC minus BC. AC minus BC. Okay, I'll show the top part. So there only you have the matrix A, B, and C. Okay, find out AC minus BC. AC minus BC. Try this. Find AC matrix, then find out what is BC matrix, and then subtract it. What is AC minus BC? AC minus BC. Krishna Chandran, find AC and give me the answer. What is AC matrix? AC matrix, row with column. So it will be the matrix AC. Rijas, get ready to give the matrix BC.
Six, 10 minus
So with the column, how will you get AC 6? Is it 6 or 4?
4.
4. Then
Minus
minus 4. For the
then
next one, 1
minus 6.
minus 6. Okay. Minus BC, Rijas.
Uh, 807 minus 1.
807 minus 1. Is it correct, Sania? 5. Minus 5. BC. 8, 0, 7. Is it minus 5? Check it, or minus 10? Rijas. BC, row with column. So 1 into 0 is 0. 5 into minus 2. Is it minus 10, Rijas?
Yes, ma'am.
Sania, you subtract it and give the answer, Sania.
Minus 4,
Minus 4,
minus 4,
minus 4,
minus 6,
minus
4.
6,
4.
4. Okay. Okay. So hope you have completed. Now let us check where is the option here. Minus 4, minus 4, 6, 4. Minus 4, minus 4, 6, 4. Minus 4, minus 4, minus 6, 4. Is it the option C? Is it correct, Aditya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So option is C. Okay. Now look at the next one. We are asked to find A plus B into B. A plus B into B. So what is the value of A? A and B, it is given in the beginning, isn't it? A and B. A plus B. What will be A plus B? A is 4 and B is minus 2. So A plus B will be 2, isn't it? 2 into matrix B. What will be the answer? Srihari. A plus B into B. What is the answer, Srihari?
8,
8,
0,
0,
2, 10.
2, 10. 8, 0, 2, 10. 8, 0, 2, 10. So option is C, isn't it? 8, 0, 2, 10. Option is C. Ashwin?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is it okay? What is the
Yes,
answer? Which? What is the option?
C, ma'am. 80210.
Okay. Now look at the next one. Okay. 3 schools, DPS, CVC, and KVS, decided to organize a fair for collecting money for helping the flood victims. They sold handmade fans, mats, and plates from recycled material at a cost of rupees 25, 100, and 50 each, respectively. The number of articles sold are given below. Okay, so these are the 3 schools: Delhi Public School, Chinmaya Vidyalaya, and KVS, Kendriya Vidyalaya. Okay, and this is the item given here. And what is the cost? 1 second. Note down the cost, children. Note down the cost. Otherwise, again, we have to scroll up and down. Note down. Fan rupees 25. Cost. Okay, cost, selling price. They sold. Selling price only it is given. Selling price is rupees 25, 150. 25, 150. Fan, mat, and plate. Okay, note that one. Now, look at here. What is the total money collected by the school DPS? Calculate it and give the answer. DPS. What is the total money collected by the school DPS? Yes, Dia. What is the answer, Dia?
7,000.
7,000. Is it correct, Gauri?
No.
Sorry, not this one. 7,000. Now look at the second part. The total money collected in rupees by schools, CVC and KVS. Total money you have to take. Total money of these two schools separately you have to find out and you have to add, isn't it? CVC and KVS. Okay, if this type of questions are asked means you can do it easily, isn't it? No? Huh? Yes, Sania, what is the amount collected by CVC? Yes, Sania, I can't hear.
Six one two five.
6125. Okay. Then what about KVS? Srihari, I think you completed. Huh? Yes.
7875.
7875. So total money means you have to add these two, isn't it? So when you add these two, what is the amount you will get? Is it 14,000? Rijas? Punya? Is it 14,000?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is 14,000. Okay. Now look at the next one. Look at the next one. What is the total amount of money collected by these three schools? What is the answer? You can give the answer immediately. What is the answer? Yes. Yes, Michael? Michael? What is the answer? The total amount money collected by these three schools. First school already we have calculated. Second and third school, the total is there. So what is the total money? What is the total money collected? Michael? The first, okay, for the first one, the amount is 7,000. Second and third school collected 14,000. So what is the total amount collected? Ashwin, what is the answer, Ashwin?
21,000.
21,000. Okay, now look at the next one. If the number of handmade fans and plates are interchanged for all the schools. Handmade fans and plates are interchanged. What is the total money collected by all the schools? Then what do you have to do? Which are the two things we interchange? Handmade fans and plates. Handmade fans and plates are interchanged. So these two have to interchange. So here it is 20, here it is 40, isn't it? That means what you can do, you just interchange the cost and multiply. Okay, what is the cost of fan? What is the cost of fan? What is the cost of fan, children? Look at the data. Cost of fan is 25. That we have to take it for plate, isn't it? And plate money is 50. Cost price of one plate is 50. That one you take it for fan. Okay. That one you take it for fan. Okay. And the mats amount will be same itself. Then find out what is the total. We want to find the total, isn't it? So otherwise, okay, you can do this. Okay, it is depending on your skill. Instead of finding it separately, what you can do, you can add this total, this total, this total, and multiply it by the respective amount. Try it. You try this and give the answer. If it is interchanged, only this number of items are interchanged. Handmade fans and plates are interchanged. Then you have to find out what is the total amount collected. Yes, Punya, what is the amount?
Ma'am, not completed.
Not completed. And answer the fifth one also. Fifth one is also based on that table. How many articles are sold by the 3 schools? How many articles are sold by the 3 schools? Make it fast, children. One more question is there. How many articles were sold by the 3 schools? Okay, complete it. I'll mark that. Third one, what is asked? If the total number of handmade fans and plates are interchanged, what is the total money? Is it 21,250? Answers also shown there. And how many articles? Is it 330? Is it 330?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now look at the next one. See, those who have the PDF, take it and do it once again. Okay. Look at the next one. On her birthday, Seema decided to donate some money to children in an orphanage home. There were 18 children less. If there were 18 children less, everyone would have got 10 rupees more. However, if there were 16 children more, everyone would have got rupees 10 less. You take number of children as X and the amount distributed as Y. Based on the above information, what is the equations of X and Y? So number of children is X and the amount distributed is Y. Now what is given? If there were 8 children less, everyone would have got 10 rupees more. How will you do this? So what is the total amount she will have? Total amount will be X into Y, isn't it? It is total amount X into Y. For one, okay, X children are there, and what for one child she gives Y rupees. One child, she gives y rupees. Therefore, what is the total amount? X into y. Now, what is the first case given here? If 8 children were less, everyone would have got 10 rupees more. So, x minus 10. What about the amount they will get? Y. If 8 children were less, 10 rupees more. But the total amount remains same. It is xy. Okay, again you multiply this. Open the bracket. Xy plus 10x minus 10y minus 100 is equal to xy. Now xy will get cancelled. So the first equation you will get is x minus y minus 10 is 0. This is the first equation. And what about the second equation? The first equation, is it there? Check it. I say, no, we are not getting 10 here. 8 is less. Okay, okay. I subtracted in both the cases, I subtracted 10. Here it is 8. Okay, instead of 10, it is 8 is less. So xy minus 10x minus 8. So when you divide it by 5, 2, you can divide it by 2, isn't it? So 5x minus 4y minus 50 is 0. And what about the second equation? Similarly, frame the second equation. Similarly, 5x minus, okay, here also will become 80. 8 when you multiply till 80, so it will become 40. 5x minus 4y minus 40 is 0. Same way, you frame the second equation. Okay, you can frame the second equation and you can do. Okay, children. Okay, go through this one. Again, now look at this. After framing the equation, we used to write the set of equations in the form Ax equal to B, isn't it? Ax equal to B. So from the equations, you write it in the matrix form. After solving this, what do you have to find? What will be x? X is equal to A inverse B. So you can find out the values of x and y. X gives the number of children and y gives the amount. Y gives the amount. Once you find x and y, you can find what is the total amount. X into y will give the total amount. Okay, I think with this, the matrices case study questions. No, one more question is there. Okay, this is again a question from the textbook. Similar question is there in your textbook. Yes or no? In your textbook, example question is there. Okay, so here example questions in matrices, okay, which are all application type of questions, they are all more important. That questions will be asked for case study. Okay. Okay, this one and all we can discuss in the next class. So go through this PDF, try to solve these questions, okay, along with prepare well for the next exam. Is it okay? Time up. So we end the session now. Thank you.